Hi everybody, welcome back. A lot happening tonight. We'll start with a severe thunderstorm watch until 3 a.m. for the entire coastal bend as storms are expected to erupt. Not only will they be strong, but a few of them will reach severe levels, dumping heavy rain across the region. Now the main threat with this is going to be the heavy rain, which will cause flash flooding. Lesser threat will be strong wind, hail, and lightning, and isolated tornadoes, a very low threat. So this is what we're looking at. Again, this is primarily a rain event, but there could be some wind associated with these strong storms as they move through. Here is the flash flooding that's already taking place until 12:45 a.m. for northern B and Live Oak County and back into northern McMullen County. So you can already see the effects of what we're mainly concerned about tonight with these huge storms up in northern B and Live Oak County. They've now moved into B County. Here's the watch box that's out for the severe weather potential, and new storms developing out to the west. So again, it's concentrated here to the north. Eventually that line is going to turn to the south with a cold front, but right now it's moving east. And you can see that line extending all the way up into Houston right now. And again, that's going to turn more to the south in our direction later tonight. Prior to that, these storms are going to come out of Mexico and move northeast in our direction ahead of the front being drawn up into it. So the storm tracks on this activity here are off to the north and east, and then these storms, again moving northeast, will be in Foul Furious about 1:15 in the morning and affect some of the other cities in the lower Rio Grande Valley prior to that. So the tracks up here to the north, again, you can see they'll be approaching Refugio about 11:24 tonight, Goliad at 10:36, and Bloomington about 12:06 as they move off to the east and eventually turn southeasterly. The cloud tops on these are up to 47,000 feet here, but the ones in Mexico are very severe, up to 56,000 feet. Anything over 50,000 feet is on the definitely severe side. As you can see, the cloud tops here, again on 3D, you can see how these are all built up in the Refugio area, where a new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued for Refugio County until 11 o'clock tonight. And again, these storms working off to the east, north of Corpus Christi, which is right here. And there's additional activity developing out here to the west, and that's where we're going to watch for that to come in here, all ahead of the jet stream and the upper level disturbance combining with the front. It's only in the 40s, 50s, and 60s behind that front in North Texas. So we've got lots of moisture, a disturbance, and a front, and that's why we're seeing such an active weather pattern. The jet stream right over the top of us. 12:30 in the morning, we'll see numerous showers and thunder showers across the coastal bend. 3 a.m. still going on over the eastern two-thirds of the area. There's a lot of that activity. And then still happening at 4 a.m. near the coast, gradually winding down by 8 a.m. Again, it doesn't look like it's going to be too bad here, but we're going to monitor this all night until it's over with. 11:30 tomorrow night, not much happening. Then showers redevelop here on Saturday morning and throughout the day on Saturday, scattered about the coastal bend. It's going to be hit and miss as far as outdoor activities, winding down in the evening hours. So generally the storm timing is from now to about 11 p.m. out to the west, and then from around 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the eastern part of the area. And we're included in that. Rainfall amounts heavier up to the north, a little lighter down to the south, except for these storms coming up from the south have now picked up bigger numbers here. But everybody should see anywhere from 1 to maybe 5 inches of rain. The overnight forecast looks like this. And again, showers and thunderstorms developing here in Corpus Christi. Rain-cooled air putting us in the 60s, along with northeast winds behind the front. Lows tonight will drop into the 60s area-wide. We're talking about 67 here. Day planner for tomorrow looks pretty quiet during the day. Not a lot of rainfall after 7 a.m. Highs tomorrow will generally only be in the 70s across the entire region. And the NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 67 tonight, 77 tomorrow. Numerous showers and thunderstorms overnight and early in the morning, but they should be over with by drive time. Then we'll have showers here, numerous on Saturday, not so much thunder. Looks pretty good on Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's important, very important.
Yes, indeed.
Of course.
And then the rain picks up again Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
So we'll have that break on Sunday, but for now, we really need to keep an eye on everything.
And we will.
Okay.
Okay.
Dale, thanks.